Hi everyone and welcome to the Creative Kitchen. My name is Kelsey and today we'll be making delicious zucchini boats. Start by trimming the ends of your zucchini, then cut them in half. Chop your vegetables and add them to the frying pan. Fry your mixture until the meat is no longer pink. Now it's time to cook our zucchini boats to melt the cheese. And there you have it, delicious zucchini boats. See you next time at the Creative Kitchen.